y'all, so I have had a few people ask me how I do my braided styles. I refer to them as a fake braid because I cannot do braids. So first off, my hair is like 3-day hair, maybe 4, I don't know. But so you don't want to do this on like super clean hair. It works best when there's a little bit of texture. And so how I do these curls like beachy waves is with a 1-inch Babyless iron. I just like that more S-wave pattern with a smaller barrel. And then of course texture spray will be your best friend with any braided styles. Amika, my favorite. So, and then you'll just need some clear elastics. So I've already got the texture spray sprayed in my hair, all that. So what I do is I'll leave some bang out because I like hair around my face, but I'll just kind of go back a little bit here and then grab a section. There's no rhyme or reason to it, so just grab that section and just make like a little ponytail. And what you're gonna do with that is make it into a topsy tail. So you see this right here, so you're gonna get it and then just kind of stretch that out and then kind of push and stretch. All right, and that's gonna kind of start your base with this look. And then I'll go down, like do about 3 of those normally. So then just pick up the sides underneath that section. So you'll make another like little ponytail here. And then get it right there. And then just pull that through the middle. Okay, and then just kind of go up. And then get those ends or sides. And then just stretch it out to where you want it. Alright, so then we're going to do the 3rd one. Okay, and then secure it. And then flip it through the middle. Okay, and then just kind of push up. And then again, just keep, really the main thing too is just kind of stretching those sides out. And that's just what kind of forms that braided kind of look. It's kind of, to me, reminds me a little bit of a fishtail. So like you just kind of keep going down your head and then just kind of just stop. Maybe the 3rd or 4th one, depending on how long your hair is. So flip it under the middle there. And then stretch it the sides again. Okay. And you can stop right here with it and like don't go any further down. I think it's really cute just like that, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off to the end. All right, so see like what's left of this right here. It's like a little ponytail's left. And then just do a normal just braid. And then I'll show you how I fan that out. Alright, so there's that. It's not so cute right now, but so you're just gonna get it and then just get those ends there, and then you're just gonna get it and kind of pull and fan that braid out. Keep going down. So I love this. I think it's so cute. And this is kind of like the base I use for all of any of my like styles y'all see on my feed. I'll normally leave that right there, and I'll just kind of push it up and kind of like blend it in with the rest there. So that's pretty much it. And then I'll get my my texture spray and spray it, and then spray some more over here. That's how you get like the big braided look. Easy breezy. So I will see y'all soon.